You ever worry about getting stuck on the highway with your RV and not having a boost? Or having cables but not having somebody to help you boost your RV to get you going again? I might have an answer for you. Okay, so I'd like to show you something that I found. It's called the NOCO GB70 booster. Compact yet powerful lithium jump starter rated at 2,000 amps, up to 40 jump starts on a single charge. An ultra safe and mistake-proof design with spark-proof technology. Ultra bright 400 lumen LED flashlight. Recharge your personal devices as well. Power 12-volt devices anytime. Designed for gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters for cars, SUV, trucks, boats, etc. Everything that's included in the box here is the GB70 lithium battery jump starter, XJC 12-volt male adapter, XGC 12-volt female adapter, XGC extension cable, micro USB cable, microfiber storage bag. It is a 2,000 amp peak power rating, 12-volt lead acid batteries only, not lithium. USB input is 5 volts, 2.1 amps maximum. USB output is 5 volts, 2.1 amps maximum. These are all pretty standard things. Gas engine rating is up to 8 liters. Diesel engine rating is up to 6 liters. The LED flashlight has 400 lumens. It weighs 4.18 pounds. This will charge your vehicle 40 times before you need to recharge it. At 4 pounds, my opinion is that this thing is a beast. It's amazing. In my RV, weight is a real consideration. I like to keep it under about 1,000 pounds in total of what I bring on board into the RV. So this is important for me to have something lightweight, something robust, something that'll work always, and has other options that I can use, such as a light, such as charging my phone if I need an emergency situation to call out. So if you're in the market for something to give you peace of mind while you're on the road, you're worried about breaking down or your battery dying, have a look at the GB70. I think it's wonderful. I've used it myself already. I've had to. And I do strongly suggest it to anybody who's interested. Check it out. Let's go get it.